Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we are with one of our newest sales associates, Isabella. How are you doing today, Isabella?
I'm doing fantastic.
Excellent, excellent. First and foremost, I want to thank you for taking some time today and introducing yourself and being on this video. So, Bella, here I'm going to ask you some questions because we're entering the spring season here. What little winter we had is getting ready to leave. And so I just want to ask you a few questions here about spring. Is that okay?
Absolutely, yes.
Fantastic. So, Bella, first question. If you could drive any car from our dealership, and we're a Mazda dealership, obviously, so if you could drive any car from our dealership on a spring road trip, which one would it be and why?
I would probably choose the CX-50 due to the spacious room in the front and the rear passenger seat. So make sure that all my passengers have enough room to be comfortable during a road trip.
Yeah, fabulous. And it's perfect. The CX-50 is such a great vehicle, fun to drive, plenty of power, tons of space. It can really handle any situation. Yeah, that's a good choice. The next question for you here. As we transition into spring, what's your favorite part about the changing weather?
I love seeing the trees reblossom and the earth come back to life.
Yeah, it's always nice to see the leaves coming back and the flowers starting to bloom, and it just shows you that the long night is over and it's a new dawn almost, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I agree. Next, as we spring forward, no pun intended, with daylight saving time, how do you plan to make the most of the longer days?
I hope to go on more walks during the night where it's a little bit cooler, not too hot, where the sun is beating down on you. So.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, longer walks is always nice. And
Yes.
you have a daughter, is it correct?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. You take your daughter on those walks with you, I
Absolutely.
assume?
Yep.
Introduce her to the world from
Yep.
mommy's eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good job. Next, now with the arrival of spring, what's one road trip destination you're just itching to explore?
I would love to go up to Door County, and I've been there before, but it's just always a new experience, finding new things to do. There's so many activities that you're able to do, especially during the different times of the year.
Yes, I agree. Door County is one of those must-see destinations, and if you're in the CX-50, that would be perfect for Door County, right?
Exactly.
With all the hiking and everything you can do up there, the different shops and stores that you can shop at, the beautiful scenery, not to mention the restaurants and the different types of authentic foods up there. It's just a great place to go. I agree. Yeah, that's a good choice. All right, my friend, here, the last question for you. With the arrival of spring cleaning season, how do you keep your car looking fresh and clean?
Oh, I just take it to regular car washes and then just try to empty out the garbage every time I get my gas filled up, basically.
Okay, all right. So just some preventative maintenance stuff there, right? Just wash the outside, take the garbage out. Don't let garbage collect on the inside, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, makes sense. Well, Bella, I really appreciate you spending some time with us today to talk about cleaning. Once again, folks, she is the staff highlight for this month. We welcome her to the team. She's going to be a fine addition, and I think she's going to do very well. All right,
Thank
Bella,
you.
you're welcome. You take care.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.